Little Storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a town filled with colorful houses, lived a little boy named Leo. Leo loved to splash and play in the shallow end of the sunny splash pool. The water tickled his tummy, and he could always touch the bottom. But the other side of the pool was big and blue and deep. It looked like a whole different watery world. Leo felt a little flutter in his tummy whenever he looked at the deep end. One sunny day, Leo decided he wanted to be brave. He put on his bright blue goggles and walked to the edge where the shallow water met the deeper blue. He took a deep breath and put one foot a little further. The water went up to his chest. The next day, Leo was even braver. He swam a little bit further, kicking his legs like a little frog. The cool water swished around him. He could still see the colorful tiles on the bottom, but they looked a little wavy. Every day, Leo tried to swim just a little bit more. Sometimes he felt a little wobbly, but he kept kicking and paddling. His friend, a bright yellow rubber ducky named Quackers, floated nearby, cheering him on with silent quacks. One sunny afternoon, Leo took a big breath and pushed off from the side. He kicked and paddled, and the water felt cool and fun all around him. He looked ahead and then, thump! His hand touched the other side of the pool. Leo giggled with joy. He had made it to the deep end and back all by himself. Quackers bobbed happily in the water. Leo learned that even if something seems big and a little scary, trying a little bit at a time can help you reach your goal. Did you know that frogs, who are great swimmers, start as tiny tadpoles in the water? Just like Leo, they grow and become stronger swimmers over time.
Please subscribe. Thank you.